time to take the garbage out. We take the garbage out of our homes. Now it's time to take the garbage out of our bodies with a total body cleanse and detox. But I'm not gonna hold you long. Let's go. First thing we need to do is we have to hit that colon-filled, waste-filled colon with the colon cleanse. In order to use this cleanse, we're gonna need 8 ounces of apple juice. So we got our juicer over here. I'm gonna make some apple juice for us here. But you can also use 100% apple juice, not from concentrate, if you don't want to juice it yourself. We got our juicer going, and look at that. That nice fresh juice is coming out of there. We're gonna get that nice fresh apple juice. But again, 100% apple juice, not from concentrate. If you don't want to use that, we're gonna stop our juicer. And then we're gonna add our Dr. Cohen's colon cleanse formula. We're gonna add that to our 8 ounces of apple juice. The finest ingredients. We're gonna mix that up right here, and we're gonna mix it up. And this is going to gel and swell and sweep that colon, so we wanna drink it immediately. And we're gonna go, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. So now we got the colon being sweet with this. We want to follow that with 16 ounces of water. So you're going to drink 16 ounces of water, get that in the system. That's going to start working on the colon. But we don't only want to do the colon. Like I said, we want a whole body detox. We want to detox the entire system. And this is where the Dr. Korn's detox formula comes in. This is going to get the lymphatic system. This is going to get the liver. It's going to hit the blood. It's going to hit the kidneys. It's going to hit the entire system. We're going to put 3 dropperfuls here. This full amount is going to go in our water. Just a few ounces of water is all it takes. We got 2 to 3 dropperfuls going in here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to drink it. Does the body good. We got the colon cleanse, we got the detox formula. Then we're gonna end the day off with the bowel move capsules. We're gonna start off with 2 to 3 bowel move capsules. We're gonna take these at night prior to going to bed. And when we do this, it's gonna hit the entire body. And while we're doing that cleanse and detox, this is a part of the Detox Kit. Guess what comes with the kit? The Dr. Cohen's superfood. It's going to alkaline the body, and it's going to help cleanse the body. So while you're doing the total body detox and you're juicing and making juices or purchasing juices, you can mix the Dr. Cohen's superfood powder, cleanse that whole body, cleanse it good, get you right, optimize your health. In order to do this, we need you to go to drcohens.shop and get your colon cleanse kit. See you soon.